Welcome guys. I am Akash Bahuguna, a digital marketing professional, and I am 2+ years experience in this PPC and overall digital marketing. So, guys, in this video, I will be telling you like how you can set up a Google Ads tag, how you can get the Google Ads remarketing tags to create a remarketing campaign, right? You can see that I have opened a PPC manager account, but if you have a single account, that's not an issue. The process is similar to for both of the accounts, right? Firstly, you have to go into the tools section. Then under the shared library, you can see the audience manager section. Then go towards it, and you can see the different options, right? So in the your data source option, you can click on the Google Ads tag. There are different options to link it to the Google Ads account, but in this video we are discussing about Google Ads tag. Let's jump into the Google Ads tags, and you can go into the edit data source to get the different options that remarketing tag is suggesting. Like you can see, if you want to only collect general website data, like the visitors who are visiting to your website, if you want to collect the data of all those visitors, so you can check this option, and then you can save and continue to proceed to the other option, right? So in this video, we are discussing about like how you can set up the tag manually, Google Ads remarketing tag manually. So this option, first option, is helpful in this video. Like there are different ways also through the Google Tag Manager as well. But in this video, we will discuss about the manual setup only. So you have to click on this option. Then you can see the code is given below, and it is saying that we have to copy the tag below and paste it between the head tags of the every page of your website, right? So I will let you know that if you copy this code and paste it to the home page head section, so it will be available on the all pages of your website. So you have to do it likewise, and then you have to click it to continue, and then it's done from here. So the process that needs to be done in the Google Ads dashboard is already completed. You have to just copy this code that I just showed you, and you have to paste it on your website's head section and save it there. The process is that simple, guys. If you have any doubts or if you have any queries related to this video, you can just write it in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer and solve all your queries. That's all, guys. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe to my channel. That's all right. Thank you.